To link your WhatsApp from your phone to your PC, first of all, you will need to open a WhatsApp on your desired platform. So in this case, I downloaded WhatsApp from the Microsoft Store, and now I'm about to open it. Next step is to click on Get Started, and right here you will have a quick tutorial on how to connect WhatsApp to your PC, and I will show you that in a moment on your phone. Then when it's finished, as you can see right here, we have our WhatsApp ready. You can start chatting with any opened chats from your phone. And that is basically everything.